Welcome to the Bearded Life. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ol''55 Blend by the famous beard oil company. But before we get into that, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe now because we got many more awesome review videos and content coming out for you. As well, you can hit that notification button down there in the bottom right-hand corner, and that will keep you up to date on all the amazing, awesome things that are going on with the Bearded Life. Now, on to the review video. This is the famous beard oil company. I'm all about classy beard oil companies. I don't know why. I just enjoy the products more when I feel like they're classy. And the labeling and everything and whatnot on this bottle just exudes like classy, dapper awesomeness. I've tried a few of their products out before and I like the blend that they have. I just don't have enough good things to say about this company. Alright, so first up, ingredients. Ingredients are very important to a beard oil blend. You want to make sure that they are combined with things that not only hydrate, but also won't leave you greasy, weighed down, dirty feeling throughout the day. So, ingredients, we have castor oil, good for hair growth, hempseed oil, safflower oil, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and myrrh. Now, what I like about the famous beard oil company and these blends is not only do they tell you what the oil base is, they also tell you what exactly the essential oils are. They don't just label out essential oils and expect you to guess. Their website is very easily navigated. Their customer service is pretty good, and their beard oil is a little bit on the higher side at $21 a bottle. But that being said, I do feel like their product is actually worth it. Some of these companies are value-based, some of them are product-based, salesies, you know, that sort of thing. And just because you're getting the cheaper beard oil doesn't mean it's the better beard oil. So I highly encourage you to go and check this out. So we're going to run through a little description that they give you of the Ol''55 Blend, and then we'll go through what I think of it. Alright, so we got smells like crisp spice engulfed with a warm, refreshing aroma. The Ol''55 Blend from the famous beard oil company will make you and your beard feeling lucky, holy, and alive. Tuned and polished with magical ingredients of hempseed, castor oil, and safflower oil, sparked with the striking sillage of cinnamon, eucalyptus, and myrrh, making this the exclusive beard oil, a one-of-a-kind for any beardsman. The Ol''55 Blend will excite your senses, filling your beard with richness it deserves, and entice all those around you. So roll the dice and embrace one of the most popular beard oils on the market. My time went so quickly, I went lickety-splickety out to my Ol''55, pulled away slowly, feeling so holy. God knows I was feeling alive. Tom Waits. Perfect for all beard and skin types, specifically crafted for medium to coarse beards, medium to strong scent, light to medium shine. Let's get into this, alright? So now first off, I have a very thirsty beard. My beard drinks up oil, it drinks up beard balm, and it feels like it just can't get enough. There's always a coarseness, always a dry brittleness to my beard, so beard oil is a must for me. Some people might be able to get away with like 5 drops of beard oil twice a day. I'm using dropperfuls, like 2 to 3 times a day. It just is what it is. Everybody's beard is different, so. Let's get into this. Eucalyptus and myrrh. Oh man, that cinnamon is awesome. It smells exactly like Big Red chewing gum. Now, if you're a fan of cinnamon, you're gonna love this stuff because it smells absolutely amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna get a dropper full. I double pump just to make sure I get the whole thing in there. Let me set this down so I don't spill it. And we are going to go through our shine test or our grease test here. Put it down there in the palm of my hand, wap it around, and it's definitely got that hydration factor at a level of like 10. I got some on my nose on accident, but it smells amazing. I've used this a few times now, and I will say that it is definitely a medium to strong scent. You can definitely know it's there. In fact, sometimes when you breathe, you can breathe it in a little bit. So if you're not a big fan of cinnamon, I wouldn't go with this at all. This is definitely one of those products you want to make sure that you're loving the cinnamon vibe in order for it to work well for you. It's not really very greasy. You know, It's definitely a great hydrator and a great moisturizer. I've done some other review videos on them in the past, like I said, so I will throw up a card right there if you want to go and check out those other videos as well. They have a very, very good unscented blend to them, but oh man, the smell in this stuff is just so awesome. My beard feels hydrated, moisturized. It's definitely not a beard balm, so I'm using like a really fine tooth comb here. So the hold and stuff like that isn't going to be, this is just basically for hydrating your beard is what it's going to, it's going to be good for your skin, good to keep that dandruff out of your beard. And overall, I just love it. Is it worth the price point? Absolutely. This beard oil definitely hangs with some of those top companies as far as quality, customer service, product packaging, the whole 9 yards. It's definitely a great product, and I highly recommend you go and try to pick some up. All of their links are down in the description box if you want to go check them out. As well, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Are you a fan of cinnamon stuff? What's your favorite type of beard oil scent? In fact, I may even go ahead and post a poll right there for you to answer and see what is your favorite type of beard scent. I really like to know. I like to stay engaged with you guys, feel part of the Bearded Fam community. Once again, this is The Bearded Life. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content, and as always, stay bearded. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you want to see more from The Bearded Life, please click on that subscribe button to your left. As well, if you want to stick around for more, there are 2 additional videos for you to choose from. I wish you the very best of luck on your beard journey, and as always, stay bearded.